The front side view of the F-22 Raptor in 2025 showcases its unmatched aerodynamic design and stealth capabilities. Its sharp, angular lines and sleek contours emphasize its role as a fifth-generation air superiority fighter, with a focus on minimizing radar cross-section. The advanced air intakes and fuselage blend seamlessly, ensuring optimized airflow for the twin Pratt & Whitney F-119 PW100 engines, which provide thrust vectoring for superior maneuverability. The canopy, with its golden tint, offers the pilot excellent visibility while also reducing radar signature. The overall design exudes power and technological sophistication, highlighting its ability to dominate in contested airspaces. Its refined aesthetics and engineering innovations underscore the continued relevance of the F-22 as a critical component of the U.S. Air Force, maintaining its status as one of the most advanced and formidable fighter jets in the world even decades after its introduction. The interior side view of the F-22 Raptor in 2025 reflects a blend of advanced technology and pilot-centric design, emphasizing functionality and comfort for high-performance missions. The cockpit is equipped with state-of-the-art digital displays, intuitive controls, and a fully integrated avionics system, allowing the pilot to manage complex tasks with ease. The use of a white color scheme creates a clean and futuristic ambience, enhancing visibility and reducing visual fatigue during extended operations. Ergonomic seating ensures optimal comfort and support, enabling the pilot to withstand high G-forces while maintaining focus. The side panels feature streamlined buttons, switches, and touch interfaces, strategically positioned for quick and efficient access. The canopy provides an expansive field of view while incorporating advanced HUD heads-up display technology, delivering critical flight and combat data without distraction. The interior design of the F-22 Raptor showcases a seamless fusion of innovation, practicality, and cutting-edge engineering. The backside view of the F-22 Raptor in 2025 reveals the remarkable engineering that contributes to its unmatched performance. The twin Pratt & Whitney F-119 PW100 engines dominate the rear, featuring thrust vectoring nozzles that allow for exceptional agility and maneuverability in combat. The exhaust outlets are designed with stealth in mind, minimizing heat signatures and radar detectability. The swept-back tail fins and horizontal stabilizers integrate seamlessly with the airframe, enhancing aerodynamic efficiency and stability during supersonic flight. The overall structure emphasizes stealth, with smooth, angular surfaces that reduce visibility to enemy sensors. This view also highlights the aircraft's robust construction, built to withstand extreme operational conditions while maintaining superior performance. The F-22's rear design reflects a perfect balance of power, stealth, and innovation, ensuring its dominance in modern air combat scenarios and reinforcing its reputation as a pinnacle of aerospace engineering.